Okay.
Boy.
All right, it's
Sha. Kathi iphupho ukuphumela ngaphandle ube emnyango. Sahla yazi umuntu besehlala esibhedlela. Guys, impilo lesiphilayo. Yami impilo yama ngomzuzu kwathi inse. It's been real, hey. It's been a lot. Bohlezi uhleli ndawonye nje the only thing emuvayo kuyinto eyokwenza nomthombeni. Not to say manje khona okuningi okwenzakalayo, but at least umuntu seyakwazi ukuya emsebenzini. Just like now sesiyakwazi nokuphuma sithi haya sike soshaya umoya sixoxe nje futhi also singekho ekhaya. I think ukuba sekhaya nakho kuyi trigger nje ngokwakho.
Ayibona.
And lapha ngizitshela phela mina ukuthi into serious noma ngathi umuntu ube nokungaboni, you wouldn't think ukuthi kuzoba into deep serious, but nje just got worse and worse and worse and worse and worse.
Futhi mawuthi uyayicabanga the way nodokotela ayelokhu ethumela ngayo. Ububona ukuthi uyabona udokotela ukuthi ayikho right.
Ayikho into abangayenza.
Shame they tried nje kakhulu. I trusted God ukuthi uzo-intervene. Angikaze ngilose hope because I know ukuthi mhlawumbe umhlaba uzokhuluma ukuthi why sekufika unumber 5 bese yagula since wayethe kuyapheshethwa. Angithi wayethe siyaphephetha ukuthi ngingangeni wathi sithi phuphu ukuthi ngingangeni unumber 5. So I was praying ukuthi uNkulunkulu enze sure ukuthi akahambe ukuze amthole lo number 5 wakhe.
Wait, what's the story about not paying the bill? I want to hear about it because angikaze ngibuze. Okay, bill kwenzakalani because into yokuqala mangena ningitshela ukuthi hayi sisibhinking kwenzakalani? What happened?
Ukukhuluma nje iqiniso ngangingekho kuphuma ibill but ngithe mengena umacele angitshela ukuthi une bill ekufuna ukukhokhwa but uthi methi uyakhuluma noma yena uthi akahlangene. Ngayitshela ukuthi angifuni ngisho ukubuza. Ngathi let me pay.
Masohambile. Hayi kusiyafika ke lo siyashutha no we gonna need deposits 100,000 njani bese ngithi mina okay. Then ngikhokhe ngithi naye wonke umuntu uzongisendela ke imali. Kangasabuzi ke my friend ukuthi ubani usendile ubani ongasendanga okusalayo kwase kumele ngikhokhe 100.
Ngangalindele ukuthi kukhona umuntu ongathebona isituation but then bese yazi exclude esimweni esikanje. Being umyeni wakhe ke futhi okuwes. At least seya recover. Sekungcono and usuyakwazi ukuxoxa naye. Into enesense.
Umthombeni ever since ephumile esibhedlela esahleli kaMacele for insuku ayihlala besiya khona noMbali every day. Wabuyela eMzumbe ufikele kwami uMbali on the very same day efikile wafika kwami so saqhubeka kanjalo.
Kodwa komhlola besisasikhumbula. Bengithi phela so umuntu uzosikhohlwa. Mina nje being the bad person kuyena abengazitshela ukuthi angangikhumbula. I thought ukuthi umuntu azomkhumbula number 5 than mina. So I was very shocked ukuthi kanti uyangazi. Masethi nje sengifisa ukuadmit again. Ubona
I had to forward you that miss. No on that day Bali. Ngapha kuthiwa wena ugula uyazenzisa. So sekumele ngikhulume noMbali ngoba uMbali at least uyazi ukuthi akazenzisi sometimes abantu empilweni in general baba selfish. So if things are not going their way, kuyenzeka abantu babe insensitive just because izinto azenzeki ngendlela yakhe. Not to say usuke ecabanga ukuthi ngempela akaguli but because usuke ufuna ukuthi owakho umlayezo uzwakale njengoba udlulisa so angasho noma yini. So even naleyo ukuthi kube nabantu abathi uyazenzisa bamthethise ngicabanga ukuthi izenzelwa nje ukuthi phela asifani guys yabo asikhuliswa ngemakhaya afanayo. Yeah, if ingekho ngawe then ayikwazi ukuba ngamuntu you know. And then apparently sekunesinye isimo ke eceleni engasazi namhlanje angisazi. Kodwa unesimo sokuthi kunomuntu othi hayi uzozalana ngenkani futhi vela ugulu uyazenzisa.
To see umuntu eselwa nami but mina ngazi ukuthi ugodukile ukubo ivele yangidida because as much as besiplana Besplena siwu-3 kuyimina uMakhumalo uMacele because yena bekubo.
Ave yalapho ngiyakhona. Uya la kumela ekhona ngesimo abhekene naso.
Ngase ngitshelile ukuthi yazi imvelo iya la iya forever. Bengifisa ukuthi ahlale khona until aza akhathale mhlambe or azanele lo muntu olwela insuku.
Megula bekade kuzoba nomcimbi ngeweekend apparently. So siyangibikela ngawo ke recently ukuthi ufuna ukwenza umcimbi ngibonga ukhulu. So benginika iduty ke ukuthi ucela ngimenzeleni ngomcimbi ke. Fangibusise because angi-understand phela kwenzakalani. Okay, ngiyakuzwa konke lokho kusho kokuqala ngiqale ngiconfirm. Are you sure you want me to help you? Because last time amazwi aphuma ngiyakuthanda ukuzenza kaSinkosikazi ngedwa yet ngisiza wena ungicelile. Athe nayi no ishake mina le yami. Kubalekile kumina ukuthi uma ngabe ngoba sihlele la ngim-update ngendaba yokuthi umcimbi njengoba uzoba khona umthombeni ungicelela ukuthi ngimlekelele. Esinye sezizathu ezokuthi angifisi ukuthi lento esikavumelananga ngayo nomthombeni mayenzeka ngibalwe phakathi as if benkade mina ngihlangene nokulungiselelwa komcimbi wokufika komunye umuntu. Awazike wena avelathi enene no go Friday wenza umcimbi wokubonga ukhulu kudliwa ngomgqibelo of course umeme nabantu bakaduma. Abantu bakaduma njengoba bamemile one kuzodliwa inyama ukuthi umcimbi kodwa kwesibili ufuna ukuthi azo introduce unumber 5 kubantu bakaduma. Bese ngithi wolophu ke
imali ehlanganise nathi asikaze sibe khona emcimbini yakamsele kusiyizintombi zonjani lo thefike intombi abe esezoba khona emcimbini.
Bese ngithi wo angizwa kahle ke mngani wami manje umcimbi wakamsele kungena kanjani number 5 kuona njengamanje nokuintroducewa unento ezimbili ozenzayo kwenzakalani asho sayini ubone kuyi-opportunity right ukuthi yena ngoba sebekhona abantu asale sezom-introduce
ngcono mina ngingabi khona because ngangishilo ngathi angifuni ukuhlanganiswa number 5. I don't care ukuthi kwenzakalani so nje I won't be part of indaba ya number 5.
Uyanqena ukuthi sibone ngaleyo nani ukuthi kuzokwenzekani sizoxoshwa
inkinga ukuthi adowana angifuni ukuboshwa ngithanda ingane encane uyongibuza kabangazivi
awudingi kulo.
No, I won't fight. Ngizama uku-avoid ukukhuluma Thobile because yabona right now angikho space sokukhuluma and angikufuni ukukhuluma.
I don't think kumele sikhulume kodwa njengali mina angifuni uphume ekhaya.
Ngifuna ukwenza ama-actions kuphela. Angifuni ukukhuluma.
Anginankinga nalokho. Ngicela siwenza ama-actions ngomgqibelo.
Empeleni kulomcimbi angina interest nje yokuba khona because what I heard ukuthi kuyobongwa. I believe I'm not part of ukubongwa because I've been the bad wife ever since.
So it turns out that Thobile Makhumalo paid the bill, which was 100K that was supposed to be paid just prior before going to the just before even angene eWoodton. So uThobile ukhuluma ngale ndaba ben enoma ngwabi, right? And uyasho ukuthi na wafika wafonela uMacele esho ukuthi sekunenkinga. I think we all know phela vele Nkosi yami ukuthi uMacele akasebenzi and sesingamxolela ke ngalokho ukuthi akanawo umsebenzi. So uMacele ufanele uMantong zenga lo Makhumalo uyeza uyasho kuMacele ukuthi ayi ufonelile laba abanye bayihlangula especially uMayeni akaphumela ubala uma ngwabo ukuthi ukhokhele yini noma akakhokhanga, but it looks like uThobile is still hoping that the wives the other two they will contribute for myeni wakhe. So apparently uMayeni told bona watshela uMayeni uMacele ukuthi akazingeni, and then so yasho ke ulo uMakhe ukuthi hey insensitive ulentuzane umama lo wale ekhaya uMacele insensitive because akaka izinto ezithile azenzeka izinto ngendlela yakhe basically. So that's why ingena ndaba njengamanje, and then but again you can't say awuzingeni ku husband wakhe esesibhedlela kudingakala ukuthi ukhokhakala imali ezithile. So ke uyabatshela uthi no akakwazeni ukuthi azingene, she's not going to be part of it, akafuna ukeda imali. thatha uMakhumalo ke ikhadi lakhe waswapha esibhedlela ukuze uMthombeni njani angene inkosi yami e-private care ngoba phela lo muntu bese gula ngendlela ukuthi bese wazi wangena bese sengishini i-high intensive leyo i-ICU basically. So now we don't want to speak about Umayeni today ukuthi akafunanga ukukhokha imali. Siyamazi lo mama uthu kanjani. Umayeni has become more evil compared to what's her name, Mangwabe. I think Mangwabe is more now calmer and better. Or Umayeni uyadelela ake ngisho kanjalo nje Umayeni uyayidelelela nje and uyabona ukuthi unenzondo lo muntu I think ngathi nje wayena wazikhulelele esithenjini wayena nje indlela nenzondo ngakhona. So and then ke uThobile nolona bayatsikhuluma noMangwabe benombala ukuthi uGuy usasho ke namanje usafuna ukwenza umsebenzi le ayikhuluma ngawo before esibhedlela ngoba wayethe ufuna ukwenza i-50th. Guys, lento emsebenzi ayikhulunywa ke by the way. Moyikhuluma mele uyenze kusasa. Yagulisana nayo. But ke angisho sikhulisa lokho, but to be honest with you, in fact, i-stroke sometimes high blood pressure, stress. Angibonzi umuntu ongathakatha lo baba lo ethakathelani and umbali yana yasho ukuthi ungcono ngoba wagula number 5 bengakambona shaqime ngoba bezothi lo bathakatha or else mhlambe ila bafazi bamfaka imithi but akekho umuntu ongadlisa umselo njengamanje Mangwabe akahlangene ngamdlisa umayena amdlisa umacela uyazi ukuthi akayindawo so sharp uThobile ngamdlisa. Thobile is beautiful now. So now what happened is Twitter so kuzoba nomsebenzi and then catering has been given to Thobile. uTwitter uthi hayi usile lo ufuna uThobile akhoke. But guys, also let's talk about something. Abantu ngiyababona belokhu bethi hayi uphethe amabhizinisi akho amabhizinisi komseleko ilodge yadayiswa kudala property awasekho umseleko uphila ngeproduction angazi ngokuphila production uthi yokwenzakalani yikho nama production ahlukene unale production ophinza la production yabafazi bakhe nale production eyingane imali iphuma lapho inkulu ke imali production ke anyway. So for now uphila ngalonto le awekhaming ema business akho ama business uThobile waphatha la okuthiwa khona imali eziphethe uThobile cha uThobile khokhe ngeimali zakhe. But then again I think it's only fair for Thobile to pay because if she was not Mseleko ngaba akayona lento ayona ngaba akathola ama opportunities awatholayo. So she's getting these things because she's being recognized for being uThobile wakaMseleko. So Mseleko somehow umenzelile igama nomnikezile igama. So I think imna she can pay ngoba uyasibona isimo sasemndenini walashadela khona. It was a choice. But I think manje kumele ahambe awuyeke umshado ayithole indoda right ngoba she is gorgeous. Thobile is gorgeous. Muhle uThobile understand ukuthi kwenzakalani njengamanje but muhle ngalendlela le exakile and she can get a man just like, you know, but then I think she's just kind of loyal to the husband and because she understand ukuthi that man has done a lot. And then abantu besifazana abaningi abanga understand ukuthi umuntu mangabe abantu besifazana abanayo loyalty ukubheda kancane nje umuntu sethwala ikhwama zakho uyahamba naba sebabona abanye bashonise ngebe naba abafazi. So Twitter believes the fact ukuthi hayi umsele kusile unika lo catering ukuze akhokhe. Maybe that's the reason, we do not know. So what do you think, guys? Do you think uMakhumalo was wrong for her to pay this 100k? Vele umacela angeke abe na nkosi yami akasebenzi how uzasebenza noMangwabe ngoba phela kuthiwa ba ne-stress. But I understand mina why uMangwabe ahluleka ukusebenza anenhliziyo embi lo mama. Makes sense.